ExactTrack 4D constantly scans for new threats in your neighborhood, alerting you faster than ever when severe storms are heading your way.
Well, it is definitely cold, but looking behind us, golly, beautiful.
Beach day.
Yes, beach day.
Not only are there people standing on the sandy shores, but if you look past them, look at that, you got the surfers that are out there catching those
why you
cold.
have a wetsuit. Yeah, right? That's
what?
why you have a wetsuit.
I'm going to tell you something. I'm a wetsuit type of guy, anything below 70 degrees, and I have a great wetsuit, but that water right now, those waves have to be banner for me to go jump.
What's the temperature like in the ocean right now?
54, 56? Yeah, too cold for me.
No.
Unless they're banner waves, then I'll go ahead and bite it. All right, let's go ahead and head on over to the board, show you what's going on. Since we're talking about temperatures, big part of our forecast is once again, we've got the freeze warning, widespread inland areas for southeast Georgia. It's kind of a broken pattern, much like what we saw, what was it, Tuesday night? Monday night is where we had the kind of a little split here between what will be frosty conditions immediately along the river and Clay and into Putnam County. And Duval County will stay with frost inside of the circle, but just to the west of that as you head closer to say over toward anywhere from Chaffee west over toward Baldwin, you have the potential there for some of the frost. So our freeze warning, a longer duration of this going from 9 o'clock all the way to 9 in the morning, 11 o'clock tonight to 9 o'clock in the morning for our frost advisory, which does take us all the way out here to the area beaches. And I just had an email that came in from the beaches saying, hey, are we going to have a long duration and are we going to see the freezing temperatures? The answer to the freezing temperatures is no. Long duration of cold equaling the frosty temperatures. That's a big yes here. A 10-4 good buddy as we can, wow, look at that, down to 48 degrees now at the at least on our map here, as we're showing 46 degrees on the wind chill, and we're back out to where we have calm conditions, just a light ripple on the water. It almost looks like glass as we continue there. Zippo on the wind meter and 51 degrees, feeling like 51. Let's walk through the change here, and then we're going to come back to our temperatures for tonight, and that change takes us into Friday. Clouds will be building in throughout the evening, and then really cloudy skies with the chance for some showers. This will come in late Friday, and I have to point this out. Look at all the pink here starting at around Atlanta and northward. This is why there are winter weather advisories in through areas of southeast Georgia with what will be the potential here for some icing and frozen precip coming through, and not just the snow. It'll look like there could be a changeover, which does mean sleet and freezing rain will be a possibility as that warm air lifts through. Here we are at about 11 o'clock at night, and this is where we'll start tracking at least a spotty shower approaching from the northwest into areas of southeast Georgia. Most of us will sleep through the rain. If you get your day started early with the morning show on the weekend, there'll be a few spotty showers left over at the start of the show, but by the time the show is closing out, most of it moves offshore with the straggler showers coming to an end shortly after the lunch hour there on Saturday. The chances will be higher from midnight to 6 o'clock and then reducing beyond that. And then our next round of cold air comes through. And the difference is you can see all the wet weather here in the Gulf. So the models are trying to bring in a spotty chance for some showers, and that's going to stay to the south of the I-10 line. Our morning lows are going to continue through the 30s. The exception to that will be on Saturday, a little bit warmer Saturday and Friday and our Saturday forecast. And I'm going to take you back here to our coastal zone just real quick so we can talk about those beach temperatures. Upper 30s and lower 40s along our sandy shores. Now, it will be colder with what will be near freezing temperatures here into southeast Georgia and those widespread 20s that will continue with mostly 30s, although still freezing, and that longer duration of those freezing temperatures. How's it stacking up for the nanometer? Not very good. We still have frost advisories and freeze warnings, so we'll hold it steady there at an 8 until some warmer temperatures come through. 30s overnight tonight, starting our finally Friday with frost and freeze as we get ready for, like I said, a little bit warmer Friday into Saturday, and then down go those digits after we see the showers come through, a continuation of the cold.
Richard, thank you.